IAF in combat mode to take on China in case of any provocation. The frontline fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force are flying consistently in and out of the airbase near the border with China, including the Russian origin mighty Su-30 MKIs and the MiG-29s. In a significant move after the June 15th clashes at Galwan between the two armies, resulting in casualties on both sides, the Indian Air Force chipped in to enhance its presence. It has deployed its frontline jets, attack helicopters, and transport fleet in all its key bases guarding the airspace along with the line of actual control (LAC). IAF had also pressed into service a fleet of C-17 Globemaster III transport aircraft, as well as C-130J Super Hercules, in transporting heavy military equipment and weaponry to several forward bases. That's only to further ramp up India's military preparedness in the region. IAF is also using its Ilyushin-76 fleet to transport troops to various areas across the 3,500-kilometer long LAC. It had also moved a sizable number of its frontline Sukhoi 30 MKI, Jaguar, Mirage 2000 aircraft to several key bases including Leh and Srinagar. It also deployed Apache attack choppers and Chinook heavy lift helicopters to transport troops to various forward locations. The frontline fighter jets have also stepped up sorties in Ladakh and nearby areas during last few days. Many defense experts consider it as a part of increased alert level, probably as a response to expand the activities of the Chinese Air Force. In fact, last month, Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhaduria made a quiet visit to Ladakh and Srinagar air bases to review the Indian Air Force's preparedness to deal with any eventualities in the region. The Indian and Chinese armies are locked in a bitter standoff in multiple locations in eastern Ladakh for the last 7 weeks. Many experts also claim Indian Air Force is now ready to take on China within 8 minutes if the situation demands. IAF's decision to get into combat mode was apparently in the wake of China activating its air bases along the border. There are 3 air bases in Chinese territory opposite Ladakh. At the same time, China is also eyeing Skardu Air Base in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. China has deployed J-8 fighters and bomber planes at their bases. Reportedly, China had also constructed a strategic base at Hotan that falls under Zhejiang Military Command. There are about 35 to 40 fighter planes at the base. These include J-11, J-8, bomber planes, and AWACS planes. China is also depending on its strength in an air base in the Kashgar province. However, there is a major factor that puts odds in India's favor. Indian fighter jets are more adept at high-altitude warfare. Indian Air Force has Sukhoi, Mirage, Jaguar, MiG planes that can trump Chinese planes should an air fight occur at high altitude in Ladakh. This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.